Hey guys, this is Vic from DNB Mobile Auto Service. We've come to Terry Fox Secondary School in Coquitlam to help one of their teachers detail one of their cars. Teachers are being busy and he's not had too much of time, so he's requested us to come while he's teaching the children inside to detail his car because he had a little bit of a mishap in the car. So we come to the school to help him actually clean his car. We are happy that we can help teachers this way, help them save time so that they can educate our younger minds while we can take care and help them do their detailing services and whatever we can do to help while people are at work. So give us a call if you need any help, 604-518-6668. Thank you. This is Vic again. We've come to the Terry Fox School and we are actually detailing the car from the back. This is the hood, the car that we're going to be we are detailing. This is for one of the teachers. As you can see, all the teachers inside. Our technicians are cleaning the car. We will be detailing this Nissan Sentra, and we are planning to have a special offer for teachers because they are such an important part of our society. We will be providing discounts to them for any cleaning services that we do while they're at work in the school. So give us a call, 604-518-6684. Tell your school about our service and give us an opportunity to come and help you while you are at work, and we would love to come and help you out so that you can spend time with friends and family over the weekend and spend time working without worrying about cleaning and getting your cars clean.